in our learnings with data teams, you still realize there's a lot of tribal knowledge that exists in minds of people. But how do we bring that on Atlan? So we took one step forward and we went to everybody's favorite tool, which is spreadsheet. On this moment, let me jump to a spreadsheet, which is a Google Sheet. So Atlan has a native extension with Google Sheets where you can capture tribal knowledge, collaborate, let folks who are working on maybe want to bring descriptions of they have a data dictionary or they have an existing CSV where they have documented everything, bring them quickly. So I'm just going to click the extension, Atlan extension, and give it a command to document metadata. And let's select an asset first. As soon as I selected that, you saw the Atlan interface is just opening up, where you will see similarly, you will see all the assets that you saw on the Atlan workspace, you will start seeing it on Google Sheets workspace. Now, let's select this big verified asset. Let's import that. As you see, the imports are happening. We are bringing existing metadata from Atlan to your Google Sheets. Now, all the metadata is right here. Now, you're like, hey, I think I know this 6-digit reference. And I'm going to just, for the sake of demo, I'm just going to mark this as a verified column. And obviously, I can share this with my colleagues, people who know, and collaborate this in the tools that they really like. Once I'm ready, all I need to do is let's sync this to Atlan. And this is, again, our effort. We realized, like I said, diversity in data tools. Data teams love using the tools of their choice. How do we make it easy? Bring to them. So looks like the documentation is synced. Let me just open up the asset. It opens up an asset 360 profile. This is similar to what a Salesforce account profile looks like, what a GitHub profile looks like. You can see the description got updated. I'm also seeing some suggestions from Atlan saying that, hey, this is the description that Atlan suggests. Let me just accept a few. So this looks like tax paid in dollars, accepted, the enrichment done.